physicist arrived and said, "We're calculating soon." A mechanical engineer drew circles on the wall. Another started measuring dimensions of them all. Someone asked a simple thing, a harmless little query: how much banana's really there? The answer got quite scary. Now we're talking wetted areas, surface integrals and more. Cross-sectional approximations covering the conference floor. 'Cause it's bananas, bananas, half a nanocoulomb per banana, estimating every curve with unnecessary fervor. Bananas, bananas, calculating perimeter parameters. What began as idle chatter turned into a technical disaster. The physicist was muttering about decay and charge transfer. The engineers kept arguing which geometric model's better. Cylinder, no tapering cone, neither one is quite exact. Someone built a spreadsheet model, someone else reviewed the facts. Differential slices everywhere, integrals from stem to tip. Error bars are getting smaller as our sanity starts to slip. 'Cause it's bananas, bananas, half a nanocoulomb per banana. Every estimate refined to the 7th decimal line. Bananas, bananas, perimeter measurements matter. Nobody remembers why, but everyone's prepared to fight. If radius is changing with position, then the volume's not a constant anymore. And if texture modifies the surface area, we should probably run simulations just to be sure. The room grows strangely quiet. Then somebody said, "Have we considered curvature?"